Welcome to your gut microbiome stool collection instructions. Let's walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Store the sample at room temperature, below 25 degrees, away from sunlight. Urinating first helps prevent contamination. Step 2. Clean the toilet seat. Place the stool collection tube upright in the box. Peel and stick the collection paper onto the toilet rim, ensuring a hollow center. Pass stool onto the collection paper. Avoid urination on the paper. Step 3. Put on the gloves and remove the swab from packaging. Scoop a lentil-sized amount from the middle of the stool. Hold the swab over the collection tube and press the back end to release the sample into the liquid. Secure the lid tightly on the tube. Step 4. Pack and schedule pickup. Place the sealed collection tube into the biohazard bag or envelope and put it back in the box. Message the WhatsApp number to schedule pickup within 24 hours. Important reminders: no toilet paper on the collection paper or sample. Avoid touching or spilling the liquid inside the tube. Keep out of reach of children. And dispose of materials properly.